Welcome back. I have a question for you. Can we stop complaining? Can we stop being too judgmental? Can we stop ridiculing each other? Can we stop talking behind each other's back? Can we stop comparing with each other? What do you think? Is that possible? Can we do that? You must be wondering that why I'm saying all these things. You know what? We are not here forever. We all have that limited time on this earth. So why we cannot love each other unconditionally instead of complaining, blaming, judging, comparing and hating each other and ridiculing each other? Like what we are trying to achieve by doing all those sort of things? Can't we love each other? Cannot we realize the impermanence of our own nature and appreciate and love each other, because we are not here forever? I'm repeating it again and again because that's the prime message. We are not here forever. So stop blaming, stop complaining, stop ridiculing, stop comparing, stop judging, because nothing is gonna help. Only love is the answer, only love is the solution. We must have seen so much of negativity in the society around us. But you know what? It is creating more negativity. You cannot find the solution of a negative thing with the more negativity. It's going to increase. So the time is here. We need more love. We need more appreciation. We need more blessings. We need more gratefulness. So why we cannot inculcate these things and appreciate each other and love each other more and more? So what do you think? You can write in the comment section. You know, I was feeling suddenly that I need to share this message with you. So let's love each other little more. If somebody is being little arrogant towards us or something, it's not because we need to hate them or complain or do something about them. It's that we need to love them a little more. So that's the thing we got to do, because we are not here forever. Thank you so much for watching the video. Spread the message with everybody, because we need to share this message with the world to create a chain reaction of positivity across the globe. Thank you so much. Now before you go, like, share, subscribe and comment your views. Thank you so much for watching the video. Lots of love and blessings. Keep smiling.